Hello everyone, thanks for clicking and welcome to my channel. Have you ever noticed how everything seems to come alive when spring arrives? Today we're diving into the magic of these wonderful seasons. So let's have a brief definition about spring. Spring is that delightful time when nature wakes up from its winter slumber, bringing a burst of colors and positivity. Let's talk about nature's awakening. This is the most enchanting aspect. Imagine trees sprouting fresh leaves, vibrant flowers in fall bloom. Now let's talk about outdoors activities. Spring is the perfect time for hiking or going on a picnic. To enjoy the fresh air and the bright sunshine. Festival and events during springs. From cherry blossom festivals to lively outdoors markets, spring brings communities together from all over the world. Now, let's talk about fashion. Let's not forget the joy of swapping out winter wardrobes for lighter, colorful outfits. Conclusion. So to conclude all of these, in this video we have explored the beauty of nature's rebirth, the joyous outdoors activities, the community spirit of festivals, and of course the fabulous spring fashion. Now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite thing or things about spring season? Share in the comments below your opinion. As we celebrate the wonders of spring, let's carry that positive energy forward. Embrace the season. Spread the joy. Thanks a lot for joining me in this journey. And that's all for today. So please don't forget to click the subscribe button and thumbs up if you like the video. Catch up soon in another new video. So enjoy your time.